Hello everyone, don't deep fry or boil cauliflower anymore. Today, I'm going to share a brand new way to cook it. It's crispy, tender, and fragrant, perfect with rice or as a side for drinks. Everyone who tries it will praise your cooking skills. First, prepare an organic cauliflower with green stems. This kind of cauliflower is crispier and tastier. Then cut it open with a knife. Next, use scissors to cut it into small florets. Using scissors prevents it from crumbling into bits. After cutting, place the florets into a large bowl. Add a spoonful of salt. Pour in enough water to cover the cauliflower. Then set it aside to soak. Next, prepare 50 cents worth of pork and slice it into thick, thin pieces. Adding pork makes the dish even more flavorful. After slicing, place the pork on a plate for later use. Slice 2 green chili peppers into rings. After slicing, place them on a plate for later use. Slice 2 red chili peppers into rings as well. Prepare 10 grams of ginger and slice it. Slice 3 cloves of garlic. After slicing, place them on a plate. Cut 3 scallions into sections. At this point, the cauliflower has finished soaking. Rinse it thoroughly. Soaking in light salt water helps remove any insect eggs and impurities. Wash the cauliflower several times. Place the washed and drained cauliflower onto the steamer tray and spread it out evenly so it heats more uniformly. Cover with a lid and steam for 1 minute after the water comes to a boil. Time's up. The cauliflower is steamed and ready. Take it out. Stir-frying the cauliflower directly without steaming doesn't taste as good. Steamed this way, the cauliflower is crisp and tender, more nutritious than boiling, and healthier than deep frying. Add a little oil to the pan, then add the pork belly slices and stir-fry until fragrant and the fat is rendered out. Stir-fry the pork slices until the surface is slightly golden, then add an appropriate amount of light soy sauce. Add a little oyster sauce. Stir-fry until fragrant. Next, add sliced ginger and garlic and stir-fry until aromatic. Then add the cauliflower. Turn to high heat and stir-fry everything evenly. Now season, add a spoonful of salt, a little chicken bouillon, and a pinch of sugar to enhance the flavor. Continue stir-frying over high heat until everything is evenly mixed and fragrant. Then add the green and red chili peppers and stir-fry over high heat for 30 seconds. Add the scallion segments just before taking it out of the pan. Stir-fry until you can smell the aroma of the scallions, and that's it. Alright, take it out of the pan and plate it up. If you make cauliflower like I do, it will be crisp and refreshing, full of flavor and so delicious you won't be able to stop eating. It's perfect with both rice and drinks. The method is very simple and it tastes even better than what you get at restaurants. Once you learn it, you'll be a master chef. If you like my video, remember to like, follow, comment and share. Thank you for your support.